Welcome to this simple English story. Today you will follow Sarah and Daniel at the airport when their flight is cancelled. They stay calm, speak clearly, and try to solve the problem step by step. What would you do if your flight was cancelled? Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story.
We are here early. That is good.
Yes, our bags are ready.
I have my passport and ticket.
Great. I have mine too.
The airport looks busy today.
Yes, but it is still calm.
Let us go to check in.
Yes, let us start now. We should check our tickets now.
Yes, I have them ready.
I hope everything is fine.
I think so. Let us see.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Good. We are prepared.
That feels very helpful. Daniel, look at that.
What is wrong?
Our flight is delayed.
Maybe only for a short time.
I hope so.
Let us wait and ask.
Yes, we need clear news.
We can stay calm. Sarah, the flight is cancelled.
Oh no, really?
Yes, it is cancelled today.
That is very bad news.
We need a new plan.
Yes, we do.
Let us ask for help.
Yes, please. Can we take another flight?
I am checking now.
Maybe this evening.
Or tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow could be better.
Yes, it may be cheaper too.
Let us compare times.
Good idea, Sarah.
We can wait here.
Yes, and rest a little.
I feel less worried now.
Me too, a little.
Do you want tea?
Yes, please, that is nice.
I will get 2 cups.
Thank you, Daniel. We need a hotel tonight.
Yes, I can book one.
That is a good idea.
I found a room nearby.
Great. Is it close?
Yes, and the price is fine.
Perfect. Let us book it.
I will do that now. I am hungry now.
Me too. Let us eat.
I can get sandwiches
I will take fruit.
and tea for both of us.
That sounds perfect.
Small food helps a lot.
Yes, it really does. I should call my sister.
Yes, I will call mine too.
I will say we are safe.
And I will say we have a plan.
That will make them happy.
Yes, they will understand.
The day is still okay.
Yes, we are fine. We are in the hotel now.
Yes, that feels better.
Tomorrow should be easier.
I hope the new flight works.
We can leave early.
Yes, and have breakfast first.
Then we go back to the airport.
Good. We have a plan. Good morning, Daniel.
Good morning, Sarah.
I slept well.
Me too. That helped.
We can try again today.
Yes, this time will be better.
Our bags are ready.
Let us go. We are back here again.
Yes, but we are ready.
This time is different.
Yes, we know what to do.
The new flight should be fine.
I think so too.
Thank you for staying calm.
Thank you, Daniel.
I hope this story helped you practice English. What would you do if your flight was cancelled? Please write your answer in the comments. Keep learning with simple stories like this. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.